Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we will show you how to quickly and easily rename a table in Excel. Let's take a look. We're going to use a 3-page workbook as an example. We can see the individual pages below. When we add workbooks, Excel will automatically rename them for us to sheets 1, 2, 3. If we want to change the name of a worksheet, we simply right-click on the worksheet we want to rename. This will display the spreadsheet. We select the rename option. Excel has now highlighted the original name of the worksheet. We will remove this name and can enter a new name, for example, title. We press the enter button, or we can click anywhere within the workbook. Instead of the old name, we will see the new name. If you're wondering how to hide or unhide a page in your workbook, check out our other video tutorials. The link to the video can be found in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like us or leave a comment. Learn how to use Excel quickly and easily with our quick and easy videos. To see more videos, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.